You know what your credit was the last time you checked by chance, just before we do a credit application?
Yeah, I checked earlier this year. It was like about 400 to 440.
The
450.
You're saying it was, I'm sorry, you said 400? All right, we're going to be cold calling a customer that inquired about a Dodge Hellcat, one of the Black Ghosts.
Hello, this is Terry.
Hey Terry, this is Alex at Earth Motor Cars.
Hey, what's going on, man?
What's up, man? Hey, just giving you a call about this 2023 Black Ghost Challenger that you inquired about, the one that's one of 300, and just seeing if you had any questions and what I need to do to earn your business.
Yeah, man, I have been looking at cars like that before. This is Alex from Earth Motor Cars.
Yes, sir.
Oh, yeah, my nephew watches you on Instagram, TikTok.
Yeah, that's awesome.
Moving merch or something.
Yeah.
He watches those videos, and he's local, so he been in y'all shop and everything. See all the mo cars and everything y'all got.
Yeah.
So,
would you be paying cash or financing this car?
this particular one, I'm gonna be financing.
Okay, awesome. And how much money were you planning on putting down, and what's your credit like?
What can you do for me on the car? I see online that car was listed at like 140,000 or something.
Yeah, 158.9 it's online for. Again, there's only 20 miles on it, and it's one of 300. Terry, I'll be honest with you, I don't want to negotiate against myself. I definitely have some room in it to work on it. But you know, I want to get to the credit application first, make sure that we're good to go with the banks and whatnot, and then go from there. Does that work with you?
Yeah, I mean, whatever gets me into the car, like.
Yeah, absolutely.
I mean, if I like it, if the numbers sound good, then I'm gonna leave that car. I'm gonna leave with that car. So
okay.
That's what I'm saying.
Do you know what your credit was the last time you checked by chance, just before we do a credit application?
Yeah, I checked earlier this year. It was like about 400 to 440.
The
450.
You're saying it was. I'm sorry. You said 400.
Yeah, you asked for the credit score, so I'm telling you.
Yeah, that's no problem. Do you know how much money you were planning on putting down?
I mean, for something like the vehicle that I'm interested in, probably something like 10,000-15,000. I can come up with that for sure. Like, money ain't a problem, so.
Yeah, let me look at this again. I mean, I'll be honest with you, Tara. I'm just gonna be blunt. You'd probably have to go the lease route with it, and probably at minimum 20% down.
You saying like that? I'm gonna have to lease this car. Is what you're saying?
With to get to where you want to be, money down. Yes, sir.
But let me tell you something, Alex. Like I bought cars like this before, and I ain't never had to lease nothing. Like if I'm gonna buy the car, I'm gonna own it. Is what I'm saying. So
no, I get what you're saying. I mean, if you're
trying to do for this vehicle,
yeah, if you were financing, you'd still be technically, it'd still be the banks technically speaking.
Never. I'm gonna be honest with you. I never had to do anything like this in my previous cars. Like I got a Bentley Continental, and I ain't had to do nothing like that.
Okay.
So
how is it? A older car? Was it a less expensive one than 158 or?
I mean, I don't know what you mean by less expensive. It's a Bentley, but I mean. It's a 2008 Bentley Continental, but
okay.
I mean, I'm just saying, like, I just want to get into this car.
I got you. Yeah, that's no problem. I mean, you said money wasn't an issue, so would you be able to come up with that 60% down?
Yeah. Yeah, I don't know about that, man. I mean, I feel like you can make it happen with 15,000-20,000 down. So if you're trying to get my business, then that's what we don't have to do. But I'm gonna just keep walking and find another car somewhere else. I came to you because of my nephew. Like I feel like I can buy a car like this anywhere else. It's a hellcat. It ain't nothing crazy. But and I'm just saying with my credit and everything, I feel like that shouldn't be an issue to my business. Like I'm ready here to buy the car. So
okay. All right. Well, I'll do that. I'll send you a credit application if that works with you, and then we can just go from there. Does that sound good?
Yeah, man, just send it. We figure something out. So.
Okay, Terry. All right, brother. Well, I appreciate you very much.
All right, man.
All right, Terry. Bye.